What's up, guys? My name is Sebastian Stratman. Hope you guys are having a great day and will continue having one. Today, my wife and I are going to go to Antelope Island with this little pepperoni pizza before we go to UMC with a buddy. They're probably going to be two separate videos, but here we go. This is Antelope Island. It's going to be mostly a scenic drive, so I don't know how much I'll be talking, but I'll try and update you on what's happening, where we're going, and all that good stuff. If this is the last time I see you before the video ends, I hope you guys have a great day and continue having one. Peace. Anymore. Here I caught us beer. I went this video. That was no different. Okay.
Today we're going to be unboxing this. You did an honest to good.
So they gave us a map. It was $15 for a car. They also gave Bandit a treat, which he adores. But this is what the map looks like. And I'm just going to record this little scenic drive we got here. We're going across this island. made it to Antelope Island. Got across the Great Salt Lake, and the gift shop is actually right over there. I'm gonna give him Bandit a little time to get his zoomies out because he was going crazy seeing all the buffalo and bison and all that good stuff. So hopefully get some crazies out, but it's very beautiful, especially over by the ocean. I'll take more videos, of course, but it's amazing. I'm gonna have to take the queue over here just to get some photos. All right, so I got a new patch. It's not Velcro like this one, so I'll have to buy some Velcro for it, but
that'll be easy. You have Velcro at home.
we'll get her down. Another patch. It's mighty beautiful up here. I don't really know what to say besides, wow, look at that. This is probably going to be more of a vibey video than anything, but this is, I wonder if we can see the salt flats from here. It's like everybody's up here. Went from zero to everybody. We are extremely high up. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but I think this is the tallest hill that I can see that's relatively close, and it's far up for sure. It's very beautiful. You can see the lake perfectly. That's crazy. You can barely see the edge of the lake. There's a lot that's dried out though. It should be all the way up to there, it looks like. It's wild. Bandit's having a blast. Looks like he's found something to eat.
Someone to save me, I can't find myself. I'm totally lost.
So bad.
Just saw another V8 4Runner owner right over there and had a little chat with him. And he didn't like that the new 2025s are coming with the 4-cylinder hybrid either. It's V8 nothing. He said he had 230,000 miles on the clock. I got 187. We got plenty of life left.